I'm currently getting ready. We are all going to be going to the beach today, but I want to get some Instagram pictures for my, well, pictures for my Instagram because I haven't taken any since we've been here, and I really want to get some, you know. So I'm gonna try to do my makeup. I haven't done my makeup really at all since we've been here, unless it was yesterday, and I haven't really been focused on like trying to look cute. I've just been enjoying my time. So I think now it's time to like try to get some Instagram content. I've been really focused on getting my YouTube content up, and I've been really good. I've been editing every free chance I get, but making sure to not do it whenever it's like family time, because I want to try to enjoy this moment, you know. So I've been really good at getting my filming up, but I haven't focused on my Instagram too much. So I think today is gonna be like Instagram day. I'm gonna try to do my makeup, look cute, and get a whole bunch of different pictures, so then the rest of the days I can just focus on bam. I honestly didn't even bring too much makeup, so my skin is breaking out, and you guys can see, but it's like breaking out. I got some new brushes from Real Techniques. I love Real Techniques brushes. I really love this eyebrow pencil. It's like my absolute favorite thing for my eyebrows. The NYX eyebrow pencil. But like you can get such a defined like look, but still look so natural. And we love her. Okay. Anyways. Face spray. Highlighter. We're using the Daisy Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. And we're using the Mary Luminizer. Where's my highlight brush? My highlight brush is just like a BH Cosmetics eyeshadow brush. And then we just glow up the cheeks. Just get some more. And then glow up the cheeks. I really need to pluck my eyebrows hairs. They're getting a little bit out of hand, but I just don't feel like doing it. So currently I woke up a little bit ago. It's now what, hold on, I'll tell you guys what time it is. It is now 11 o'clock. I woke up at like 10 something, and everybody had already ate breakfast. So I literally ate one brownie. That was my breakfast, because I didn't want to eat what they ate for breakfast, because they had like breakfast tacos, and I am not a breakfast taco kind of gal. It's just not what I would like go for. Well, in general, I'm not a breakfast gal, so breakfast in general just doesn't appeal to me, but especially not breakfast tacos. So I just didn't eat. I just ate a brownie and that was it. But everybody besides AJ, Case, my mom, my dad, and me are here because everybody went into the shops, and Josh got here, my sister's friend guy, boyfriend, whatever, I don't know what he is. So he's here finally. He got here like at 1 a.m. last night. So I don't know if I want to put mascara on my eyelashes. Like, I feel like I'm just gonna be taking them off. If I'm gonna put eyelashes on, there's no point in me to put on some freaking, what's it called, mascara, because I'm just gonna be taking these fake eyelashes off. I really wanted to get eyelash extensions for the beach, so I wouldn't have to like worry about putting on fake eyelashes, and I could just look like I have fake eyelashes on all the time. But I don't want to ruin my eyelashes completely, so at least with fake eyelashes they kind of have a chance. Okay, well anyways, I'm gonna put on my eyelashes. I already know what bikini I'm gonna wear. I think I'm going to curl my hair. I kind of slept with I didn't take a shower last night, so I'm kind of like second day hair, so my natural hair color, not my natural hair color, my natural hair like texture is not gonna be great. So I definitely think I need to do something to my hair. Okay, so I'm done getting ready now. Wow, I look like really fat. Okay, but this is what I did to my hair. I just kind of curled it. Some of these curls are a little bit more like curled than this side, but I think now that I have my hair done, I feel a little bit more okay with the eyelashes. But like at first I like saw these eyelashes and I was like, oh, these are too much, like I need to just take these off. What? Anyways, like I was saying, now that I have my hair done, I feel like a little bit more okay about my eyelashes. But this is the swimsuit for today. Just this pink one I got from Target. Looks like this. It goes really cute with my sunburn that I have. My stomach looks a little pudgy. I don't know. Whatever. But yeah. Mama. What? Say hi. Hi. So I just got done taking pictures. I took my makeup off. I look gross. But I'm about to go swim. Y'all, so we're collecting hermit crabs. Me and Case have been collecting them. You ready to let them go? We can watch them. We can watch them run away. Look, guys. They're so cute. These are like wild ones. They've just been in the sand. Let them go. Yeah. Look, there's some that are pretty shelled, like these ones, and then the rest of them are like this. There's some babies in there too.
He caught a snake. That guy.
Look, Casey caught a snake. Look, we're gonna let him go. Oh my God, there's so many still in there. Yeah. Oh look at this one go. What? Don't throw them. Let them go away. Look, look, look. They're going away. Look at them. Come on. Where they can go.
Now we're gonna eat you. Spinning around.
Look at this one.
Dude, one of them are under your leg. Hurry up, son. Go get this bird.
No shit, it's that one actually does.
Ew.
Okay, you done?
Yeah.
Don't take a video of me.
Hey, what's up, Sab Nation? It's Hannah, Savannah's sister. We're at the beach. We're having fun. We went to the beach all day. We're all a little bit toasted, a little bit burnt. Here's Savannah. Here's Case. Here's Joshua. But we're having a lot of fun. We leave on Saturday. It's really dark. Don't want to go home yet. Let's go see what Mom Savway is doing. Where is Uncle Way? Uncle Savway? He's somewhere. Are you recording? Yep. Let's put the sunglasses on to go outside. Dad, say hi to the camera. That's Dad Way, that's Uncle Way, that's AJ Way. We're all tanner now. We look like beach people. Oh my God, my eye itches. Case, look at your face. You look like a zombie. She asked me to vlog for her, so we're doing. Follow me on my teacher YouTube channel. Shout myself out. Follow me on Twitter too, at Hannah. Follow me on Instagram. It won't turn. Why doesn't it turn off? I pressed record and it's not turning off. It's time to look. And it's still recording.
I see.
I didn't break it.
Shoot.
I didn't break it.
Who broke it?
I didn't break that. All I did was press the button.
Y'all, I'm way more burnt. But I think we're gonna be cooking fajitas tonight, so that's what we're gonna be having. My nails still are in good shape. My back is like so sunburnt. Case is really sunburnt. His poor eyes. He literally looks like a zombie. But we're just chilling right now. We've been playing this little like this game. It's called like 10-10 exclamation point, something like that. It looks like this. Case got me addicted to it.
You can also get it on Facebook.
Yeah, Case has got me addicted to this stupid game. So it's my new favorite game, y'all.
And it's also included as for free, but some of y'all's iPads are not. It's very not for free.
Oh yeah?
Strike for crazy.
It is so addicting, like I can't stop playing. Y'all, I'm at 141. I think the highest I've gotten is like 700 something. Josh is here, by the way. Okay, so it is now 7 o'clock and I have the shower going. I'm about to get a shower. I've just been playing on my phone, scrolling on like Instagram and stuff. But I need to take a shower. My hair is like so sandy. I literally have a really bad sunburn. And I'm really frustrated because I've literally been trying so hard to take cute pictures while I'm here at this beach. And I think it's just like a sign from God that I don't need to be taking pictures while I'm here. I need to be just enjoying my time with my family. Because literally none of my pictures have came out good. So I don't know what it is. I've tried so hard and literally nothing is coming out good. So I don't know what it is, but maybe just taking pictures here is not for me. So we'll have to try when I get back home. But I'm about to just get in the shower real quick. And then probably by the time I get out, the dinner will be ready. So that's what I'm about to do. Okay, so I'm now sitting here just editing my video for tomorrow. And I'm gonna go ahead and sign out for today's vlog. But today was really fun. I'm super duper sunburnt, so honestly I don't even know what we're gonna do tomorrow because I literally cannot go one more day in the beating sun or I'm gonna literally die. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below to become part of the #SabNation. And do not forget to turn on your post notifications so you can be notified whenever I post. And also, do not forget to comment that down below whenever you're done. But this video's post notification shout out goes to baby girl Arlene. So thank you so much for having my post notifications on. It means a lot. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye!